Now let's create the external walls. We can create them in the same way we created the internal walls. Make sure that you keep each wall in a separate group to maximize the editability of the model. We create the window openings in the same way that we created the door openings. Raise the plan to the top of the walls so we can see the extent of the openings. Then create vertical guides to the extent of the windows widths. The sill height of the external windows is 53 inches, and they run right up to the ceiling. Using the tape measure, create guides 53 inches from floor level, then go into each group separately and create the window openings. There are many different styles of window and many ways of creating them in SketchUp. In this instance, we will create a very basic window. First, create a simple rectangle using the extents of the window opening as a guide. Then, use the Offset tool to create the thickness of the frame. Tap F for offset. Then, click and drag the perimeter inward and type 1 inch. Then, select the center face and delete. Then, use the Push-Pull tool to pull the back side of the frame into the window opening by 2 inches. Then, triple-click the window frame and group it. Now we can create the glass. Using the extents of the frame opening as a guide, create a simple rectangle. Then, use the Paint Bucket tool to apply a glass finish to the face of the window. Then, double-click the window pane and group it. Then, use the Move tool to move the window pane into the frame by 1 inch. Then, select the frame, hold down Shift, and add the glass to the selection. Then, group the frame and the glass together. To create the second window, make a copy of the first. Tap M for Move. Then, tap Ctrl to make a copy. Then, click on a point at the bottom right of the window frame and place it on the corresponding point at the bottom right of the adjacent window frame. Now, edit the window to fit the opening. Double-click on the window group. Then, double-click into the frame group. Drag a selection box around the geometry of the left vertical of the frame. Then use the Move tool to move the frame into place in the window opening. Then, double-click into the glass group. Then, drag a selection box around the end of the window and select the Move tool. As you move the edge of the glass inward, lock in the axis of movement and snap the movement to the edge of the frame. Then, press Escape to come out of the groups. To create the final window, make a copy of the last. Tap M for Move. Then, tap Ctrl to make a copy. Then, click on a point at the bottom right of the window frame and place it on the corresponding point at the bottom right of the adjacent window frame. Then, rotate the window into position. Tap Q for Rotate. Then, lock it into a horizontal rotation with the up arrow. Then, click on the bottom right of the window. Then, extend the rotation start line along the window edge. Then, click again and start the window rotation. End the rotation by clicking on the point to the bottom left of the window opening. Then, edit the window to fit the opening.